Hello, everybody from Team 4. So, as you can see, the response to COVID-19 requires organization to perform intense sprints while running a marathon. So, I'm asking you, do you want to live in a safe, secure, and sustainable city? If the answer is yes, then you will vote for us. So, I will present my team, Mr. Ivan Babic, who is finance mayor and little boss from the boss mayor. Then you have Nail Hasanovic, who is little boss from little boss. And then the last one is Dinko, who is the little boss from little boss boss. So my team will make it possible to deliver the better services with the same stuff. So what we are presenting is a concept of future safe cities with focus on redesigning tourism of the future, sustainable food production, and safety for all citizens. So more about reinvention will tell you little boss, Mr. Ivan Babic.
Hello, everyone. A safe and sustainable future living can be achieved by reinvention, as my colleague said. Looking at the COVID-19 crisis as an opportunity will give us the chance to examine our present, rethink, and redesign our future. We must reinvent our surrounding to be resilient to crisis situations in future. Main things we need to think and take care of when we are reinventing our value proposition, and by that I mean self-sustainable food production, safe and secure traveling, also known as smart mobility. By crisis resilience, we thought of undependable food production, for example, vertical farming or systems such as that. Focusing on tourism on safe and secure ways with health tracking systems. Stakeholders who will benefit from all those changes are citizens, travelers, wide range of industries, and of course investors. Risks can be cybersecurity and privacy that need to be taken care of. And I would also like to say that performance improves locally so it can become global. Next part will be introduced to you by our economy mayor, Nail.
Thank you very much, and thanks to the big boss for the lovely introduction. So I'll skip just right into it. In order to achieve our goals, we need to start local and work first with motivated citizens who will influence other citizens with the goal of creating mass momentum. Presenting successful cases to other parties will gain traction and push further projects. That's the local aspect of the picture, which will take this project to the next level. Incremental in this situation will be working closely with the government and getting support from the EU. Having government officials on your side builds trust and leads to purpose. Our key activities will include, once, building green farms for sustainable food development, which will lead to building resilience during difficult times. For example, Ivan already told it, vertical rotating gardens which produce eco and fresh products for every building or block of buildings, combined with green farms in city centers, will give specific city regions the exact amount of food to be non-dependable on other food sources during the crisis. Second is reimagining the new normal. We'll have to see what the new situation will be, adapt adequately. Digital transformation is also a key element of the whole process. So moving away from traditional ways of doing business and moving on to new and modern platforms. And the last one is reinventing tourism. For example, rethink our tourism. It is not only about our beaches and islands, but about the whole city concept we are building on our future. Become a gastronomy center, use cities on the coast to promote high-value tourism, not mass tourism, as such won't be attractive either way, and offer safe destinations that are accessible during a crisis with maximum health and safety standards. Why all sectors will benefit? Because someone needs to project, develop, construct, and manage these farms and cities. Someone needs to regulate the transportation sector and manage our energy efficiency, creating jobs for the future that will evolve around the idea of future cities. benefits are not only financial, but health, ecological quality of life are amongst top priorities, even when speaking about our smart cities. And to conclude everything, we have our little boss, Dinko.
Thank you, Neil. As you all know, Croatia is second in the world in football. But as you may don't know, Croatia is in the top of the world at the fight against COVID. Why don't we use this new opportunity and starting position to be in the top in new normal way of sustainable future? Why don't we create crisis resilient way of living locally and set example for others globally? Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.